Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you how to handle thicker EPS products without changing machine height. When the product thickness increases, the overall height of the molding machine remains unchanged. Instead, additional mold thickness is accommodated by extending the space toward the rear of the machine. Unlike many conventional molding machines that create extra space inside the machine frame, this design extends the entire rear section of the machine. This approach does not occupy internal installation space or interfere with the layout of steam pipes, air lines, and other internal components, resulting in a more efficient machine structure. The recessed section at the rear is specially designed to provide additional clearance for thicker molds. No matter how much the product thickness increases, the extra space is always created by extending the rear of the machine, rather than increasing the overall height of the machine. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone.